Good evening. I'm Mayor Scott Cain. As many of you know, the coronavirus has impacted our community and the world that we live in. Recently, I've taken action declaring a disaster declaration for Cleburne to allow us to make swift and decisive decisions for the safety of our community. We have done that. Tonight, I am signing another order to make some adjustments to that. I have just signed an order adjusting our previous actions with the following. We have limited all gatherings to not more than 50 people, including the cancellation of all gatherings of more than 50 people until further notice. Regarding restaurant use, we have limited the number of people that can be in a public restaurant to not more than 50% of the established occupancy load or 50% of their existing seating, or a maximum of 50 people, whichever is less. Restaurants are directed to exercise social separation by not seating a party of more than 6 individuals and to ensure that there is at least 6 feet between parties. We are also encouraging all of our restaurants to implement drive-through services, curbside pickup, and delivery throughout our city. To summarize, we've directed all restaurants to cut their in-dining facilities by 50%, and we are encouraging them to utilize curbside or delivery services. If you're not comfortable dining in one of our restaurants, then utilize curbside or delivery services. I want to encourage our community to continue to support our local businesses, but to also feel comfortable and safe in doing so. I have also ordered the closure of all commercial amusement venues, theaters, gyms, and private clubs. I've also directed that the following venues must decrease their capacity by 50%. Event centers, hotel meeting spaces and ballrooms, retail stores, convenience stores, plazas, places of worship, and malls. This limit of 50% occupancy does not include office buildings, government buildings, critical infrastructure, residential buildings, grocery stores, manufacturing and industrial locations, nonprofit providers, homeless shelters, or emergency shelters. It also does not include daycares or medical facilities. I know these are trying times for all of us. I can assure you that we are doing everything we can to stay a step ahead of the spread of coronavirus. We're in constant contact with federal, state, and other local entities. Some may say that we're overreacting, while others may say we are underreacting, but we are making the steps necessary that are just right for Cleburne. Again, I want to encourage you not to panic. Our grocery stores have adequate supplies if we will buy what we need, when we need, and be smart in our contacts with one another. I'm encouraging everybody to stay calm and Cleburne on, and together we will get through this and ensure that Cleburne has many great days ahead. May God bless you, and may God bless the great city of Cleburne.